Hello guys. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we shall be discussing the concept of place of supply when there is no movement of goods. In case of supply not involving movement of goods either by the supplier or the recipient, place of supply will be location of such goods at the time of the delivery to the recipient. Supply involving assembling or installing of goods at site, place of supply will be place of such installation or assembly. Example 1. Sales Heaven Limited, Chennai, opens a new showroom in Bangalore. It purchases a building for showroom from ABC Realtors, Bangalore, along with pre-installed workstations. Place of supply will be Bangalore. GST and SGST will be charged. There is no movement of goods, so the place of supply will be the location of such goods at the time of delivery, to the receiver. Example 2. When goods are installed. Strong Iron and Steel Limited, Jharkhand, asks MS SAS Constructions, West Bengal, to build a blast furnace in their Jharkhand steel plant. Place of supply will be Jharkhand. GST and SGST will be charged, although MS SAS is in West Bengal. The goods, blast furnace, is being installed at site in Jharkhand, which will be the place of supply. Note: MS SAS will have to be registered in Jharkhand to take up this contract. They can opt to register as a casual taxable person, which will be valid for 90 days, extendable by 90 days more, on basis of a reasonable cause. So, that is all for this topic. We hope you have enjoyed the video. In case you like the video, press on subscribe button, and click the bell icon. For personalized queries, you may reach out to us at info@bncglobal.in.